So that was about metagenomic data analysis. And the next program that is being offered this fall is biomedical data science using Python. So the demand for skilled data analysts and scientists who can derive meaningful insights from biomedical data has never been greater. And that's where our online mentor-guided training program on biomedical data science using Python comes into play. In today's rapidly evolving world of biomedical research, the generation of big data has become the norm. Every day, vast amounts of valuable biomedical data is being produced, holding the potential to revolutionize our understanding of diseases and pave the way for groundbreaking medical discoveries. However, the sheer volume and also the complexity of this data presents a significant challenge, and that's where data analysis comes in. So this comprehensive program is designed to equip you with the knowledge and the skills that you need to excel in the field of biomedical data science. And through a combination of practical assignments, live workshops, and online resources, you will embark on a transformative learning journey that will empower you to unlock the potential of high-throughput biomedical data. So now what the different types of levels will include. The beginner level training program serves as a very solid foundation in Python programming and its applications to biomedical data analysis. We understand that not all of you come from a bioinformatics background. That's why we'll also introduce you to the different types of biomedical data, omics data that is being generated, and what the structure of this data looks like. And then we'll get started with the very basics of the fundamentals of Python in the beginner level. We'll start by understanding the basics such as data variables, control structures, and also we'll discuss about functions and modules. Then we'll dive into data processing and cleaning using powerful libraries like NumPy and Pandas. Armed with these skills, you will move on to the exploratory data analysis, leveraging visualization libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn to uncover patterns and relationships that are hidden within your data. Additionally, you will gain an understanding of dimensionality reduction techniques and machine learning using scikit-learn. And as you progress to the intermediate level, you will deepen your understanding of clustering and advanced machine learning techniques specifically tailored for biomedical data analysis. You'll explore clustering techniques like k-means, hierarchical clustering, spectral clustering, using Python clustering packages like scikit and scipy. And you'll also learn about model validation techniques and evaluation matrix for supervised machine learning models. Furthermore, you'll delve into the advanced machine learning techniques like decision trees, random forests, SVM, LDA, UMAP, and apply them to the real-world biomedical problems.